Here is my pattern, my base for this pattern. Can you see? So right now I'm going to commence. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I yarn it over the hook and I insert into the second loop here with triple crochet. I proceed into the next loop, triple crochet, next triple crochet. Can you see? So right now, as you can see, I have 4 here. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So having chained 7, I'm going to count 4 at the base. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert with single crochet right there. And you see? So I proceed. I chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I count 4 from the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet. And you see? So I proceed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I complete this segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet. So right now, this last one ought to be triple crochet. So I'm going to repeat that one. So I yarn it over the hook, then 1, 2, 3, 4 with triple crochet. Then I proceed triple crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet. Can you see? I've come to the end of this round. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Haven't chained 3. I yarn it over the hook. I insert into the second loop right here with triple crochet. I proceed into the next loop, triple crochet, into the next loop, triple crochet. So right now I yarn it over, then I count 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this very one I'll be making 4 triple crochet in this loop. That's 1 in this same loop, 2, 3, 4. Can you see? So I chain 1, then I yarn it over, I proceed, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. I will be making another 4 triple crochet in this loop. That's 1, 4 triple crochet. This one is 2. Then I proceed, triple crochet in this very loop, 3, triple crochet, 4. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to go till I round up this segment. Can you see? So I chain 1, then I proceed, I yarn it over, I count from this place, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 with triple crochet. Remember, I'm still making, it's still 4 triple crochet all through. Set 2, 2, 3, then 4. And you see, so this is how it's going to go till I round up this segment. As you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I haven't chained 3. I yarn it over my hook. So I insert into the second loop right here with triple crochet. Triple crochet. I move to the next loop, triple crochet. Next loop, triple crochet. Can you see? I have this one here completed. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 6, then 7. So right now I'm going to insert here. Can you see this loop here? That's why where I will be inserting with single crochet. Single crochet. So bring it out. Can you see? So I proceed again. I chain another 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7. Sorry. So right now I'm going to proceed with that. So I insert into that loop with single crochet. Can you see? So I proceed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right now I'm going to proceed. I insert into this loop here with single crochet. Can you see? So I proceed. I chain 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see? So right now I will insert it into this loop. So this is how I will be inserting into this loop till I round up this segment as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I insert into this next with single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I proceed. I insert into the next one right here with single crochet. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I insert with single crochet. So can you see? Till I round it up. As you can see, I've come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see the pattern? So beautiful and so easy to make. So I thank you all for taking your time to watch this tutorial. If you like, you can share this video or to your loved ones and your friends out there. So if you appreciate this work, you can click on the liking button to appreciate this tutorial. So we have come to the end, like I said. Till I come your way some other time. Bye for now.